Hello everybody, welcome back to my another video. So today we will talk about how to stop Life360 from draining your battery. So to reduce Life360 battery drain, we have to disable background app refresh in iPhone settings. So what you're gonna have to do is go to your iPhone settings. Now go to search bar and search for general. Now tap in general. Once you tap in general, search for background app refresh, tap on it. Now scroll down to Life360. Now you can just turn it off to prevent it from constantly running in the background. And secondly, what you can do is go to your settings and then privacy. And after going to privacy, you can also go to location services, then go for Life360 and set it to while using. This may prevent real-time tracking for other circle members. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next video.